Is your computer getting an unusual random restart problem? Then it might have the hard drive issue. And with time this problem can get worse. So, if you are facing such a problem, just call experts and fix it. iTech Express is a leading name in this regard in Glendora. They offer guaranteed hard drive repairing service on a fair budget. For more details on their features and facilities, browse itechexpressinc.com. Or you can just dial 626-777-4747 to discuss with their professionals. Decided to ask them for your help? Well, just do it and get rid of the hard drive failure problem soon.